Hey everyone! Welcome back to WorkPlay's video tutorial. In today's video, we'll be discussing an efficient feature called Favorites. This feature can be found on the row of modules at the bottom left of your screen. Its primary function is to allow you to save all the features you frequently use. This way, you won't need to memorize the location and position of these modules. For instance, if you are a payroll master often using features like My Payroll Cycle and Payment Process, or if you are a recruiter and use the applicant database a lot, simply use the heart icon on the top of each page to add it to your list of favorites. This can significantly speed up your workflow. Simply add them to favorites, and everything will be stored there. No more hassle of remembering where each module is located. This is a great time-saving feature for everyone.